Nadine, napag-usapan yung pagiging entrepreneur. Parang ang ganda rin ng pairing ninyo ni Alden sa Love Siargao because Alden is also an entrepreneur. Nakwento niya sa akin na nung nag-shooting kayo, tumingin na siya ng mga lupa doon, na parang mukhang gusto niya na rin mag-start ng business sa Siargao. Ano pinag-uusapan ninyo about yan? About being entrepreneur? Napag-uusapan nyo ba ng madalas doon? Or nahikayan mo na rin ba si Alden to start a business doon sa Siargao habang nandun siya?
Actually, si Alden po kasi, meron siyang cousin who used to live in Siargao, si April, which are friends with Chris, sister din ni Chris. So, may ano na, kumbaga magkakakilala na. And si Alden has met si Chris, my boyfriend, his sister, the husband, ganon. So magkakilala na talaga sila. And I think hindi naman to first time na maging interested ni Alden sa Siargao. I mean, Siargao is such a beautiful place. And how can you not, diba, how can you not be mesmerized by the place? You go there, you feel different. And there's really parang sobrang healing talaga ng isla. And si Alden, very business-minded din siya. Actually, there were times na nung nandun pa kami, lock-in kami for a month, and that's a very long time, you know, and he would have mga business meetings for his other ventures, ganyan. So, yun, alam ko na parehas kami, even though we're both in the showbiz industry, we also have other ventures outside of it, which is really great.
Ano din ba, na kumbaga, tinamaan si Alden ng Siargao curse?
Oo. Pero nakaalis naman agad siya.
Kailangan na kasi yatang mag-work sa
No, but you know, kasi naging close kaming lahat ng buong cast while we were in Siargao. Kasi imagine ba naman, that's a 1 month long, lock-in. So, sila Miss Kaki, sila Kailin, ganyan. And I would always say na one of the things that I really love about doing Love Siargao was that I have a new family because of the project, which are yun nga, the cast members nga din. And parang iba talaga yung nagagawa ng isla. And even for me, like until now, it's really hard for me to kind of explain what it is. Kasi even a lot of my friends who just visit the island, parang may something talaga dun sa isla. You know, and si Alden, sabi ko nga sa kanya, uy, minsan magpahinga ka naman. Kasi alam kong sobrang hardworking siya. Like sometimes, may kasi kami niyan, may group chat kami. Tapos lagi siyang hindi nagre-reply. Tapos niloloko namin siya, inaasar namin siya, gano'n. So I would tell him na, like, minsan magpahinga ka naman. And then I was like telling him na yung experiences ko about the isa. Sabi ko nga, dito ako tumatakbo pag gusto ko talaga huminga, gano'n. And nakita naman nilang lahat yun. So I'm not, hindi naman ako magtataka kung eventually, he'll have a house there or dun siya hihinga, yun ang puntahan niya para makahinga siya. And I do believe naman that he deserves it too.
And syempre, first time yung pairing na to. Ang daming nag-abang din talaga na mangyayari pala talaga to. So, how would you describe Alden as a leading man?
Sobrang sarap niya po ka-work. Actually, si Alden kasi hindi ko po siya first time makatrabaho. I guess up to this, yung ganito katagal. Before po kasi normally endorsement shoots lang or endorsements ganon. The very first time I worked with him was, I think, nasa Pop Girls pa po ako nun. So, baka 16 or 17 years old po ako nung time. 32 na po ako ngayon. So, that was the first time that we worked together. And, as in, ang dami naming napag-uusapan. Hindi siya mahirap pakisamahan. And one of the things that I really loved about him is that lahat kinakausap niya. Yung buong team kinakausap niya, he knows how to, parang kaya niyang makisama, nakikipagpiruan siya, ganon. And everything about him is just so light. Tapos ang sarap niya ka-work kasi very collaborative siya. Pag may mga scenes kami, parang pinag-uusapan talaga namin, uy, what do you think ganito yung reaction ni Jao? Or what do you think, ano bang pwedeng gawin? Parang hinihimay namin yung mga eksena namin.
Thank you, Nadine. Dahil dyan, pupunta na ako ng Siargao. Hindi ako nakakarating doon. one of these days. Thank you, Nadine.